Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we've got some huge Dogecoin news that just came out. We got a tweet from the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk, and we're also going to be taking a look at what's happening with the crypto market as a whole, because we have tanked a pretty significant amount over the last few days and the last few weeks. So what's going on? Are we going to see a rebound here soon? And what is likely to happen in the near future? So we're going to be going over all of that in today's video. But before we get into it, make sure to smash the like button down below and let's get started. So taking a look at Dogecoin right here, we can see that Dogecoin is currently down about 5.7% on the day, which isn't too hot. We can see that market cap's all the way down to about $27 billion. I like how I say all the way down to 27 billion, even though that's an enormous market cap for any crypto. So if we take a look at the last 7 days, we basically fallen from the point of about 24 cents to now hitting the support at around 20 cents a few times, and now we're cruising at around 21 cents. And I'm going to be going more in depth in the charts right here, showing you guys what I'm exactly looking at. But first, I want to hop into the news and show you guys exactly what's going on and how that could be affecting the price of Dogecoin. So first and foremost, we see Bitcoin and Ether slide as China intensifies crackdown on cryptocurrencies. And at least the way that I understood it, this isn't that big of news, and I feel like people are overreacting, which may be a pretty good buying opportunity if the market overreacts to some news that aren't as bad as they seem. So as you can see right here, we can see that they talk about Bitcoin and Ether tumbling on Friday, with traders rattled by tough talk out of China. And they say how like Bitcoin dropped 5%, Ether dropped 7%, Dogecoin did drop like 6% as well, so a pretty substantial amount. And we have some news right here exactly about what's going on. So Beijing has cracked down sharply on crypto this year. The Chinese government moved to stamp out digital cryptocurrency mining, the energy intensive operation that validates transactions and produces new coins. And this led to a sharp slump in Bitcoin's processing power as miners took their equipment offline. But that's not the worst news. We got a little bit more decentralized, because back then I think it was like 70% of all Bitcoin mined was mined in China. So those people had to move out and go into different countries, which is good for the crypto space as a whole. And then right here we have the PBOC bank banned and non-bank payment institutions like Alibaba, affiliate Ant Group, and providing services related to virtual currency. So just cracking down on everything related to cryptocurrencies and crypto trading. And basically what happened today or yesterday, depends on when you're seeing this, is that basically what happened is that the Chinese government said that they're banning all cryptocurrency transactions, even though they said that they already banned crypto transactions, which I don't see this as being too huge. I see something else being a little bit more of a what's causing this big drop, which could be the Evergrande, or however you pronounce that, situation going on. But that's a topic for another video. So right now, what's really causing the market to dip is China just saying once again that they don't like crypto, and they don't want crypto trading in their country. And that's basically what caused the whole cryptocurrency market to crash so much, which I don't understand. If you guys know a little bit more than me, please let me know in the comment section below. This is just the way I understood it, and I want to make sure that I'm clear with you guys, at least from my perspective. So let's take a look at what Elon Musk is talking about on Twitter with Dogecoin. So we can see that Elon Musk responded to a tweet here about Robinhood announcing wallets. AMC CEO not only talking about accepting Dogecoin, but saying that it's the single most interacted with tweet that he has ever made. The crypto market is finally seeing something green, I gotta say. And Elon Musk reports to this tweet by Shibatoshi Nakamoto, saying super important for Doge fees to drop in order to make things like buying movie tickets viable, which I think he has a great point here. And they've been working on this for the last few months. I remember making videos about this back in summer, how the development team behind Dogecoin is working on decreasing their transaction fees by like 90% or even more than that, which is great if we can see that happen soon in Dogecoin. Because right now, not sure exactly how much the fees are, but from when I last made a video, I think they're about 1 Dogecoin per transaction, which isn't terrible. That's about like 20 cents. But let's say you're trying to buy some popcorn for like $5, 20 cents kind of eats into it. You're trying to buy a candy bar for $3, 20 cents kind of eats into it, you know? So if they can get that transaction fee down to like 2 cents or even a fraction of a cent, I think that could lead Dogecoin to skyrocket. And especially as we're approaching Q4, I think that if Dogecoin incorporates lower fees and lower transaction fees, we can see Dogecoin soar to 50 cents, 75 cents, even potentially $1 by the end of the year. I think it definitely has the potential. So last thing before I get into the charts, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at and what I'm looking to do with Dogecoin. We have a little bit of this article right here. I'm not going to go over everything, but just the main point where Elon Musk, Elon Musk says that Dogecoin fees have to fall for it to become a viable option for payment after AMC suggests that it might accept a token for movie tickets. That's what I read in the tweet before. And they basically are talking about this, but developing the topic a little bit further. Wow, there's so many ads on the site. But yeah, basically what's going on is that he's saying that the fees need to drop. Robinhood is also announcing wallets. AMC CEO not only talking about accepting Dogecoin, but also saying it's the single most interacted currency, single most interactive tweet he has ever made. So all this is very bullish news, especially Robinhood, which is such a massive platform. I don't even know how many people are using it right now, but if you guys have seen the news on Robinhood, they're actually starting to work on wallets, and you can like join the wait list to actually be able to use your crypto as an actual crypto on Robinhood on the platform and have your own crypto wallet for each currency that you hold, which is huge news. And they could also be very bullish for Dogecoin as well, because Dogecoin is on Robinhood and it's one of the most traded coins on Robinhood. So yeah, then they go on to talk about the weakness of the market in the last few days, all of that. But you guys already know most of that. So what I want to head into is a little bit of the charts, taking a look at where Dogecoin could be heading in the next few days and next few weeks. So what we can see is going on right here is we're approaching a pretty common support line, as you can see if we draw this little trend line. Yeah, so basically what's been going on is over the last, let's see, this is since April, the beginning of April, we've had this support point, support area touched multiple times, or it's hit it once, twice, 3 times, and now it looks like it's heading for a 4th touch against this support line, which could be a very interesting place to be buying Dogecoin. I remember when there was the huge crash back in June and July, a lot of people were buying up back here, and I saw a few comments of people who commented on my video saying that they bought in and they made a pretty decent return on that if they bought in around 16-17 cents. So congrats to all those who did. But if the market continues to trend downwards, which I personally think that we're going to be turning around very soon in the next week or two or so, because September is usually a bearish or month that doesn't move a lot for crypto. So I think that after this month, once October starts, we can start seeing higher highs being made, and we can see the market push upwards. And by the end of, I'd say, October, around the middle of October, we're going to see a lot of news coming out. So right around here, October 15th, I think that we could start heading pretty high in prices of crypto in general. And once November hits, I think that's where we're going to go parabolic. I think October is going to be a great month, and November is just going to be a astronomical month. And December is probably going to be around the time that I personally am going to ease out of crypto. I'm probably going to take some profits, let some run, but I'm probably going to take some profits because no one ever went broke taking profits. I'm going to definitely keep some crypto for the long term, but you guys already know that you got to take out some profits after making a decent return on your money. So yeah, as we approach this trend line, I would say that a good buying opportunity, not financial advice whatsoever. I'm not a financial advisor at all. But what I am doing is that if I see not Bitcoin, but Dogecoin drop to around the 16-17 cent area once again, that's where I know I'm going to be buying up a little bit, just buying on the dip because I already have a position in Dogecoin already. So once we hit those prices, it's just a common support, and as long as we bounce off that support once again, I think that we could see higher highs being made. And Q4, I think, is going to be a movie, and it's going to be better than most people are expecting. So yeah, that's basically what's going on with Dogecoin. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.